Colomares Castle. A tribute to Columbus, Colomares Castle is a remarkable monument located in Benalmádena, Malaga, on Spain's southern coast. Despite its name, it is not a castle in the traditional sense, but a tribute to Christopher Columbus and the discovery of the Americas. Built between 1987 and 1994, this unique architectural wonder captures Spain's cultural and historical essence. Key facts about Colomares Castle. 1. Architect and vision. The monument was the brainchild of Dr. Esteban Martín Martín. Historian and physician. His vision was to honor Columbus and commemorate the blend of cultures that emerged after the discovery of the New World in 1492. Two, construction. It took 7 years to build the castle, with only Dr. Martin and 2 local builders working on the project. It is made from traditional materials like stone, brick, and wood. 3. Architectural styles. The design of Colomares Castle reflects a mix of architectural styles, including Gothic, Romanesque, Byzantine, and Mujar, representing Spain's diverse cultural history. Four, smallest chapel. The castle is home to the world's smallest chapel, as recognized by the Guinness World Records, measuring only 1.96 square meters. Five, symbolism. The monument features symbolic representations of Columbus's 3 ships, the Nina, Pinta, and Santa Maria. It also includes tributes to the different cultures and religions. Christianity, Islam, and Judaism that coexisted in Spain during Columbus's time. Attractions and features intricate details. The castle is filled with intricate details and motifs that narrate the story of Columbus's journey and its impact on history. Panoramic views. Its location offers stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea and the surrounding areas of Benalmádena. Educational insight. The visitors can learn about the historical events of the 15th century and Spain's role in global exploration. Visiting information or location. Calle de la Iglesia, 29639 Benalmádena Pueblo, Málaga, Spain. Opening hours. The hours may vary, but typically it is open from morning to late afternoon. It is advisable to check before visiting. Our entrance fee. A small fee is charged for entry, which supports the maintenance of this historical site. Accessibility. The castle is a short drive from Benalmádena Pueblo, and parking is available nearby. Cultural importance. Colomares Castle stands as a celebration of Spain's golden age of exploration and a reminder of the cultural exchanges that shaped the modern world. Its unique blend of history, art, and architecture makes it a must-visit destination for history enthusiasts and tourists alike. Would you like further details or assistance planning a visit to this fascinating site? My name is Majid Maliki, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Click here to go. If you like and subscribe to me, I will be happy